Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the LEGO Mindstorms 5-in-1 value pack. So this is just a box. It looks pretty cool because it has all the robots that you can assemble from the kit drawn on the cover. It has a bunch of useful information, like this. It's pretty cool. So I guess we could go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I cut that open. It's a little stiff. So these are the contents of the box. Just a bunch of Lego pieces, some box that I don't know what's inside. Looks like a motor. There's 3 of them. The instructions is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, the instructions are open. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here, and here are the instructions. Here's the sticker sheet. Okay, so the instructions say there's no actual instructions in here. It says that you have to go to the LEGO Mindstorms website for the instructions. So I guess, yeah, this is it for now. So here is the finished product. It took me about 3 hours to assemble. This robot is called Charlie, and this is my first creation, I guess. So it's pretty cool. The moves, well, the program for the moves comes from the iPad right here. And there's like a program that's already ready. So I guess I could just show it to you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So you can see the robot is making a sound, and then it starts dancing. At least this function is called so. Okay, so that means ta-da. At least it says so in the program. So these robots are pretty nice, I assume. I mean, at least according to what this robot does. So I guess, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, put a like in the comments, subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video.